it.
Jerry! I'll fight you!
Oh, dang.
Oh my god, I can't do it! I think I got tears coming out of my eye.
Gaspar, what happened?
Dude! Burp! What is this?
Who started it? Johnny?
No, when I came over, you're burping it. Oh, dude, I got tears coming out of my eye. I went too strong. Ain't no lie, my boxer's like a bong right now. Are you recording?
She was a bathroom.
I need like to take it out.
I need to like freak that.
Yeah, like they're up.
You're like, if you're eating, what?
Do it.
Why? I need it. I need it. I'm hungry. Oh, you want me to play? Go ahead. Now you're playing. Because it sounded like you said play.
Gladiators.
I want my shoes like that.
That's how we make fun of gladiators.
I'm gonna try.
Okay, we'll go play it again.
You need to finish your food.
I don't want it.
What are you, Johnny?
Johnny's the one he's stopped.
Oh, I missed it. What the?
No, I had the biggest blow when I tried without soda. Can I throw it?
I won't hit without soda.
But I can do it without soda.
Go.
Gaspar, what about you?
Go.
Okay, hold up. Hold up. I'm not ready yet. And that's the one I told you.
Cause you'll be burping.
Yeah, I got that. Oh, no. All right,
I don't